Do you ever get the feeling that someone is watching you? Hi, I'm Kath Younger. I'm the blogger at katheats.com. I am a registered dietitian, a mom of 2 boys, and I also happen to be a witch. In this episode of Spooky Snacks, I'm going to show you how to turn Natural Delight dates into some really creepy eyeballs as a great snack to serve on Halloween. 'Tis the season for candy bars and junk food on Halloween, but if you're having a Halloween party, these spooky eyeballs are a great way to sneak some nutrients into your menu. Dates have fiber, soluble fiber, and antioxidants, and while they do have some natural sugar, the fiber helps to balance that out and keep your blood sugar quite steady. These are a great snack to serve at a party along with other Halloween-themed snacks. The date is filled with a little bit of peanut butter, stuffed with a mini marshmallow. There's a little tiny miniature chocolate chip as the pupil, and then we use some red frosting gel to make the scary veins on the sides. Here's what you need to get started. A container of dates, I recommend the pitted, a little bit of peanut butter and a knife, mini chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, a skewer or toothpick to poke a hole, and some sparkle gel to add the veins if you like for the end. Pick out a date and you're gonna go put it in the microwave. And when you come back, you are going to find the little slit right here and then push it into an eyeball shape like so and kind of pinch the sides together. Then you take a little bit of peanut butter to kind of stuff it in there and act as your glue for your marshmallow. Grab a marshmallow and poke a hole in it like so. That will be for your chocolate chip. Then stick it in as your eyeball. And then grab a chocolate chip and take the point side down like this and press it in and hold it just for a second. And then you're going to finish it with your lovely veins. And then add it to your eyeball collection. This is the perfect recipe to make with your kids, serve at a party, and have them eat something a little bit more nutritious on Halloween. Spooky. Would you like to taste one?
Yes.
Okay, you can pick it up and take a bite.
Let me see. Maybe this one.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. What is it made of, Mom? It's made of a peanut butter ice.
You can find Natural Delights dates at almost any major grocery store, and I recommend getting the pitted ones to save yourself a step and not have to worry about taking the pit out. As an extra bonus, they're already sliced as well. Thanks for watching this episode of Spooky Snacks, and don't forget to subscribe.